This diagram plain explosion pot for oil circuit breaker. The chamber is made up with insulating material. This is fixed contact, this is moving contact. Oil, it is filled inside the chamber. The pressure applied, small pressure chamber. When fault occurs, the moving contact moves downward. In normal operating condition, this moving contact is in closed position with fixed contact. When fault occurs, moving contact comes downward, get detached from fixed contact, and there is arc gets struck in between the fixed and moving contact. The arc causes decomposition of oil because of the high arc temperature, and the oil get decomposed into the gases, high pressure gases. They are formed, especially the hydrogen gas is formed because of this is hydrocarbon oil. The gas is enclosed in the closed chamber, okay, that is the arc explosion pot. So high pressure is developed in closed chamber, okay. This forces oil and gas around the arc, which this oil pressure and gas pressure tends to arc extinguishing. If arc does not get extinguished when moving contact is inside the pot, definitely the extinguishers, when moving contact comes out of the pot, because of the oil and gas, particularly at high pressure. So when moving contact comes out, then because of the high pressure oil and high pressure gas, the arc get extinguished. So compared to the bulk oil circuit breaker, advantage is that here you need less amount of oil and you are having certain particular chamber that is provided for arc extinction. So it is inside the closed chamber under certain high pressure, not that much high, small pressure आपण इथे म्हटलेला आहे, and gas also. Hydrogen gas, it is cooling or it acts as a coolant and it will cool the arc and it will extinguish the arc. Along with this, there are certain disadvantages. This is particularly very low pressure arc extinction chamber, so very high fault you cannot use this. High current, high short circuit current, you cannot use this because of very low fault current. The gas formation is very less and pressure is also very less. So arc extinction will be not fast. Arc will persist for longer time, and therefore you will not able to isolate the circuit as early as possible. For very high faulty current, tremendous pressure will be developed because of the decomposition in this, and you know that the high pressure of the gas may chances of explosion or bursting of the pot also. Another design in the arc extinction it is done, that is cross jet explosion pot, which is shown here in this diagram. Cross jet explosion pot. Here you are having the design of chamber. This is fixed contact, this is moving contact, this is a oil field, this is hydrogen gas bubble get developed because of the arc developed. This is arc gets struck in between fixed and moving contact. This is elongated arc. Here the arc splitters are provided. Coarse cooled oil here, travel of pressure, high pressure oil, it is provided in the chamber. So this is a modification in earlier case than that of plain oil. So chamber having especially major two parts as shown in the figure. So the working, as we can see, under normal operating condition, fixed contact is in close position with moving contact is in close position with fixed contact. On occurrence of the fault, moving contact gets separated from the fixed contact. It comes down. Initially it is engaged with this. It comes down. Arc is formed between the moving and fixed contact. The arc causes decomposition of hydrogen gas because of the heating of the oil. Production of, you know that the oil it is provided, it is high pressure compared to plain oil circuit breaker in this. So decomposition of oil at high pressure travels under section of this particular lower section. So in cross, so this is arc, and in crossing with the arc there is high pressure oil travel. So this is called as cross jet. Okay. So the oil in lower section, it is a fresh oil that travels with high pressure in the direction which is in cross with that of arc. So thus normally the oil pressure is at right angle to the arc. So it swept away the arc in the arcing chambers. You can see that this is arc, it is get swept into the arc splitters, arc get elongated and arc get pulled and arc get finally extinguished. Right? Any doubt regarding this? Then you are having these arc splitters. Arc splitters. So this is fixed contact, this is moving contact, and arc splitters are provided inside the circuit breaker. Here you are having the arc splitter. The diagram which is shown here, the arc splitters. In some of the circuit breaker, you are having the self-compensated or self-arc extinguishing property. Self-compensated explosion pot we can see. So this is self-compensated explosion pot. In oil circuit breaker it is used. It is a combination of plane and cross jet. This combination of plane and cross jet. So this is advanced version. So under normal operating condition, again the situation is same. The moving contact is fixed with fixed contact, but when fault occurs, the moving contact gets detached from the fixed contact and arc gets struck in between the fixed and moving contact. Okay, the contact separate. बोला.
सर स्टुडंट्स जॉइन करायचं म्हणतात.
लेट जॉईन करायचं म्हटलं तर आय कॅनॉट परमिट. तुम्हाला बराच वेळेला सांगितलेलं. So when under normal working condition the moving contact is closed, and when the faulty condition is there, moving contact comes down. So arc formed between the moving and fixed contact. This is separation. So arc get formed, and you are having this special design self-compensated explosion pot. So fixed contact you can have, moving contact when detached, the arc will be struck. Arc which is decomposing the transformer oil, producing the hydrogen gas, which is it is produced in between the fixed and moving contact. When short circuit is heavy, then it behaves like what we can say cross jet. High pressure gas and high pressure oil will be get applied on the arc in the direction of 90 degree to the arc, and arcing particles get swept in the chambers, what we call it as arcing chamber. So it is arc get elongated, okay, and arc get extinguished. So in this you can have arc extinction in this